people? It's your girl Kimmy. So, I just finished doing a crazy video, um, which is going to be shown after this. Um, it's actually, you know how you're a first time mommy, or even you're a mommy at all, and you're home, and you know you look like a hot mess. I know I do. I don't know about anybody else, but some people probably look up to part. Me, I look a hot mess. So I decided to make a funny video. I mean, one of those lookbook videos or looks video, and I'm modeling the baby bibs that my baby girl has. That kind of, I guess you can say, the color matches with the crazy mommy outfit. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. It's supposed to be funny. It's not something serious. It's just a funny video, to uplift whoever's watching it. It uplift me, it makes me laugh because I thought it was funny as hell, and Mark thought it was funny too. So and the reason why I'm talking kind of low is because baby girl is sleeping. So yeah, but yeah, it's a funny video. So please like it and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. All right, and your girl is signing off. And I hope you guys had a happy New Year's. I know I'm late, but I hope you guys had a happy New Year's. All right, love you guys and enjoy the video. Bye.